Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshay. I'm an occupational therapy assistant student from Canada College. I met your occupational therapist Prana, and she has said that you have difficulty in feeding yourself, okay, because of the visual impact, like difficulty in looking and seeing everything. So today we are going to work on that, okay. We are going to perform one activity which will help you to feed yourself independently, okay. So before we start, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So for this activity, we have used we have everything that we need for this activity, and we have used the contrast plates and everything. So we are using these contrast plates to help maintain the orientation of your food, okay, so that it's easier for you to find out like which plate you are using, okay. And okay, 1 2 3 go. And we have all the equipments here, that is the fork, knife, the plate, meat and everything. So shall we start with the activity? Okay, so Vipin, for this activity, we'll use a clock face method. Okay, so clock face method is basically the food. I'll give you instructions according to the clock, you know, right? The clock, 12 o'clock is up, like far away from you, 6 o'clock is closer to you, 3 o'clock means on the right side, and 6 o'clock means on the left side. Okay, so this is the clock face method. It's easier for me to like instruct you with these instructions, okay, and it helps you to understand better. Okay,
Yep.
that's right. Okay, perfect. So before, okay, so the plate is kept right in front of you, it's in the midline. Okay, so what I want you to do is use your left hand to feel the fork which is on the left side or 9 p.m. on of your plate, and the knife is on the 3 p.m. of your plate. I want you to feel that. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to rock the edges of the knife to find out which is the sharp end on the ground. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
You found out the sharp end?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So now using your utensils, I want you to feel the edge of the plate so you understand the size of the plate.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So there is some meat kept on the plate. I want you to find take a feel of it, which is at the 12 o'clock of your plate.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So now use your fork and try to stab the meat and pick it up so you can understand the size of your portion of your meat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now you did a good job. Okay. Now what I want you to do is, since your food is on the 12 o'clock, I want you to bring it to 6 o'clock, which is closer to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So you got it at 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Can you try and feel it? Use your fork to try and feel it. If it's in the 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's in the 6 o'clock. Perfect. Good. So now use your fork again to stab the meat, and bring your knife closer to your fork. And slowly slide it down and cut your meat. And now you can take a portion of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So you did a good job. Okay. So for the other activity, we'll have bagel. Do you like bagels? And
Yeah.
butter?
I like bacon.
Butter? Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, so now for the next activity, we'll have bagels and butter. Okay?
Yeah.
Pippin, now we'll have bagel and butter. Okay? So, same thing, the fork is on the 9 p.m. of your plate, which is on the left side, and the knife is on the 3 p.m., which is on the right side of your plate. I want you to take a feel of both. Good. Again, you can rock the knife on the ground to take the feel of sharp end.
Yeah.
Good. So there's bagel kept on the plate, okay, on your plate. I want you to feel the plate and where the bagel is kept on the plate.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So it's in the 6 o'clock. It's in 6 o'clock of your plate. So what I want you to do is, on your 10 o'clock of your plate, there's a butter kept. Okay, I want you to use your knife and try to feel the edges of the butter cup or the container. Yeah.
Yeah.
You felt it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now slowly use your knife and try to take a scoop, or try to take some portion of the butter and use the knife to feel how much weight or how much butter you're taking. Good. You took it?
Yeah.
So now you can use your hand if you want, or you can use fork, whatever is comfortable for you. Okay. If you want, you can use your hand too.
Yeah.
Pick your bagel up and try to spread the butter on the bagel. Try to spread it on all the directions so you get it evenly.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Now you can keep your knife down and have your bagel. Okay, you did a good job, Vipin. So that was our feeding activity for today. Okay, and you did good with the instructions and everything. So I'll let Prana know about today's activity, and if there's any changes, I'll let you know. Okay.
Yeah.
Before I leave, do you have any questions?
No.
No. Perfect. Thank you. So good morning, Vipin. My name is Akshay. I'm an occupational therapy assistant student from Canada College. I met the occupational therapist Prana, and she has said that since you have this difficulty in looking things and everything, observing things, you have visual impairment. So we are going to perform certain activity, and your goal is to drink water independently, right? So we are going to perform this activity to help you drink independently. Fill the glass, fill the water on the glass inside in the glass, or fill any beverage in the glass and drink independently. Okay. So before I start this activity, I've already made sure we have everything here that is required for the activity, and I'll be providing you some verbal cues. Okay. And do you have any questions or any concerns before we start?
No.
No? Okay. So all the safety measures have been taken, okay, Vipin? And there's a pitcher here and there's a glass that is right in front of you. I want you to use your right hand and try to feel the glass first so that you get an idea of the size of the glass.
Yeah.
Okay. Now use your left hand or your both hand and try to feel the pitcher that is on the left side of the glass. Good.
Yeah.
And try to pick it up so that you get an idea of the weight of the pitcher.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now, in order to fill the glass using the pitcher, what I want you to do is bring both. So I want you to use your right hand and wrap around the glass. Okay, okay. So when you wrap around the glass and when you try to fill the water through the pitcher, what happens is you can sense the water if it's hot or cold. Okay, in so because in for hot water we have different technique and for cold water we have different technique. I'll explain you that during the process. But I want you to wrap it around the glass. Okay, so now take the pitcher, okay, and bring it close together. Slowly slide it down and try to fill the water. Okay, so what do you feel? Can you stop?
Yeah.
Is it hot or cold?
It's cold.
Okay, so I want you to stop once. Okay, so I'll explain you how to recognize whether the water is filled till the top. Okay, so if it's a cold water, I want you to put your index finger inside the glass. Okay, like that, perfect. Okay, so when the water is filled till the top, you get an idea if the water is filled till the top, and then you can stop. That's it. Okay, so now again, fill the water. Just let me know when the water is full.
Yeah, full.
Perfect. I want you to stop. Good. Okay. So you did a good job in filling the water. Okay. So now we'll pour the water back into the pitcher. Perfect. Okay. So now, in case if the water is hot, we don't want you to burn your finger, right? Putting the finger inside the glass and everything. We don't want you to burn your finger. So what we use is we use this liquid level identifier. Okay. So what happens? I'll explain you how this machine works. Okay. So we put this machine on the edge of the glass, on the side of the glass. Okay. And what happens? When the water is filled till the top of the glass, this machine will start beeping. So it will so you know that the machine, like the water is full. Okay.
Yeah.
So before I start, I want you to hold this. It's kept near the glass. Okay. I want you to hold this and try to get a feel of this machine and feel the prompts.
Yeah.
You get a feel of it. Perfect. And same thing now. Uh, can I get it back?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now can you pour the water from pitcher and glass in the same method the way we did?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold it, wrap it around, and now pour the water. Good. Slowly slide. Get a feel of it. If it's hot water or cold water.
Yeah.
Hot water.
Yeah, hot one.
Yeah. Okay. You can stop now. So the water is, you feel the water is hot.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
hot.
I want you to keep the pitcher back, and in front of you there's the machine, liquid level identifier. Okay. Use your left hand to feel the machine. Use the machine and put it on the edge of the glass.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Very good. And now again lift the glass and the pitcher and bring them close together. Okay. That's it. Good. Beep, beep. Okay, so that means the water is filled till the glass. Okay, till the top of the glass. Okay, you did a good job with this. Okay, so Vipin, this is how you will fill the water. If the hot water, if you have hot water to fill, then you will use this machine. And if there is cold water to fill, then you have to put your index finger inside the glass. Okay, now you can keep the glass back. Okay, so Vipin, you did a good job in this. In order to increase the demand, we could have, what we can do is we can use this narrow glass and which is tall in size. Okay, so it's a different feel. Okay, can you show me how to fill the cold water in this? Yeah, take a feel of the glass first. Everything good.
Yeah.
And now bring it close together with the pitcher. Okay, and now slowly take the feel of water first. First feel the water around the glass. What kind of water is it?
It's cold.
It's cold now. Okay, what will you do with this?
My finger.
Yeah, good. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Good. You fill the water with the glass. Okay, so you did a good job. In order, if the original activity was difficult for you, what we could have done is, in order to decrease the demand, we would have used a glass which has a broader or big width. Okay, so it's easier for you to fill the water. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's it with the activity, and I'll let Prana know about today's progress. Okay, do you have any questions or any concerns?
No.
No. Okay, that's it then. So Vipin, you can use this method, okay, of filling the water. So while you're having food and everything, you can use this method to fill the glass, and have a drink. Okay,
Yeah.
to if you're going outside restaurant and everything. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.